in the vast landscape of Africa and Asia, where the land stretches as far as the eye can see, one creature stands as a true marvel of nature. We call him the elephant. With a massive size, intelligence, and remarkable adaptability, the elephant has captivated the human imagination for centuries. Beyond its size, there are unique features that make the elephant a true wonder of the natural world. Starting with the elephant ears. Larger than those of any other animal on land, these ears are not just for hearing. They are intricate cooling systems. By flapping these ears, elephants release heat from their bodies, helping to regulate their temperature in the scorching African sun. The trunk. It is an extraordinary fusion of the nose and the upper lip. The elephant's most iconic feature, capable of performing delicate tasks like picking up a single blade of grass or uprooting a tree. With over 150,000 muscle units, the trunk is strong enough to break down barriers, but delicate enough to care for a newborn calf. This trunk also serves as a versatile tool: a snorkel for underwater foraging, a drinking straw, a weapon of defense, and even a way to communicate. Elephants are known to make over 100 different vocalizations, many of which are transmitted through the air or the ground via their trunks. This allows them to speak across a vast distance. Elephant tusks made of ivory. These elongated tips help the elephant with a variety of tasks. Digging for water during droughts, stripping bark from trees, and even defending themselves from predators. The tusks also play a role in social interactions. Elephants often use them to show dominance or affection. When you look into the elephant's eye, you see a creature that understands a world of profound level. Elephants are known for their intelligence, capable of solving problems using tools and even displaying emotion such as joy, grief, and even empathy. Their memories are legendary. They can remember family members, locations, and even specific events for decades. The bond between elephants and their family is unbreakable. A matriarch leads the herd, and her wisdom guides the group through challenges. Young elephants learn from their older generations with a herd's collective knowledge passed down through generations. It is a family dynamic that it is intricate and supportive as any human society. Elephants are also nature's landscapers. As they roam across the vast distances, they shape the ecosystem in profound ways. By uprooting trees, pushing over shrubs, and creating pathways through the dense vegetation, they help maintain the open savanna and prevent overgrowth. This allows other species to thrive. Let's talk about elephants' feet. The feet of an elephant are huge and surprisingly delicate. Their thick, padded feet help them move silently through their habitats, whether it is the African savanna or the dense forest of Asia. The design of their feet allows them to carry their massive weight without damaging the environment beneath them. Elephants love to breathe in mud. The mud acts like a sunscreen, protecting their skin from the harsh sun and the pesky insects. It also helps to regulate their body temperature, acting as a natural air conditioner for these large mammals. Despite their gentleness, elephants are also fierce protectors. When their young ones are threatened, the herd circles across them, using their size and tusks to ward off predators or rivals. This fierce sense of protection is part of the complex social fabric that binds elephant families together. Elephants are truly nature's giants, creatures of incredible strength, intelligence, and grace. From their powerful trunks to their deeply emotional bonds, they continue to inspire awe in those fortunate enough to witness their lives. These magnificent creatures are not just symbols of the wild. They are an essential part of the ecosystem. Their survival depends on the preservation of the habitats and the protections from poaching and human encroachment. The unique features of the elephants are not just a marvel of nature. They are a vital part of the world we share. The question is, will we ensure they continue to thrive, or will their remarkable features become a story of the past?